Yeah. Now, here we have 20 motorists, and their number of litres of diesel they bought is recorded. Okay. Now we're going to present this in a different style. Okay. We're going to present it in what's called a stem and leaf diagram. Okay. Now, a stem and leaf diagram is, this is the stem of the tree. You draw it straight down. Okay. Now, what you start off with is, what's your lowest number? Your lowest number? 11. So your lowest number is 11. And what's your highest number? 45. So what you do is this, guys. You looking? Kenny, you looking? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 1 represents tens, 2 represents anything in the 20s, 3 represents anything in the 30s, 4 represents anything in the 40s. So here's what you do. How many numbers are in the tens? We have 11, we have 13, we have 16 first, we have 17 after that, and then we have 18. Now, what did we forget? 15. So, please be good. Please be good. So, you guys unfortunately can't do this, but I can. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that make sense? So, what does 1/1 mean? Represents 11. What does 1/8 mean? Means 18. So you'd write that down. You only have to do one of them now, okay? So you pick one of them and you go, look, you write down key. The key is 1/8 means 18. Okay? Now what's in the 20s? What do we have? I got rid of that one that time. So 2/2 is the first one. After that, 5, 6, yeah. After that, 7. After that, 8, yeah. After that, 9. Okay. Next one after that. 4, is there? 4, yeah. 5, yeah. 5, yeah. 7. And finally, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now, do you see that? Now, I could argue, what does it tell you? It tells you it tells you it tells you how much each one has, doesn't it? How many numbers are there in the tens? How did you figure that out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 numbers from 10 to 20. How many numbers are there from 30 to 40? 30 to 40? In between 30 and 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a handy way of showing the information, isn't it? Now here's another thing you might not realise. It's actually very much like a... Remember showing you a histogram earlier? Remember the histogram? Now this might confuse you, but we'll give it a go anyway. Look at this. Ready for this? In effect, it acts a lot like a histogram. Everything between 0 and 10, 6 of them. Everything between 10 and 20, 7 of them. Everything between 30 and 40, 4 of them. Is it 4 of them or 3 of them? 4 of them. Oh, that should be shorter. I made a mistake with that last one. Sorry, so what? I should have adjusted myself. I should have made that last one should have been smaller. So it should have been like that there. Is that okay? So you can see it actually looks a lot like a histogram. Now you don't have to do that. I'm just making you aware that it looks like a histogram. That's it done there. Okay. So stem and leaf plot. That part is done. We've done that already. Now what's next? Calculate the range. What's the range? Top minus bottom. So what is it? No. 45. That 1 represents 11. And that 5 represents. So 45 minus 11? 34. Okay. The range has been done. What do we have to find next? The mean, don't we? How'd you calculate the mean? You add them all up together and you divide by how many of them there was. So 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 16 plus plus 18 plus. Okay, yeah, 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 yeah. 539. What do I need to divide that by? How many numbers were there? 20. Divided by 20. And the average is 26.95. On average, they buy 26.95 litres of petrol. Is that alright? That was there was no short way to do that, was there? No. Does the data contain a mode? Justify your answer. What is the most common number? Can you tell me what it is? 35 came twice. I'll use a different colour. 35 happened twice. Any other number happened twice? No. So 35 is the mode. Does that make sense? Okay. Now, I was going to do this one, but look, we'll leave that alone. Won't do number 7 just yet. So